So, what updates are there for other than Scraper in the year 2025? So, we added filter features that automatically remove users without a username from our members list. Unlike in the previous update where we manually removed users without a username, it's now done automatically using the filter features I created. After scraping members from groups or channels, you just need to run it in our CMD, and users without a username will be automatically removed. And as you can see here, users without usernames have been removed because this other tool is intended only for users who use usernames. And in this video, I'll be sharing tips on how to avoid getting your Telegram accounts banned. I'll also explain the limits and techniques to help prevent this kind of issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start by downloading and installing Python. First, open any browser of your choice and type Python download in the address bar. Hit enter. Then click on the official Python website, usually the first result. From there, download the latest version that's compatible with your system, and once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the setup instructions to install Python on your system. Now that Python is already installed, I won't go through the installation process. Let's proceed to the next steps. But if Python is not yet installed on your system, just click install and follow the setup instructions. Let's proceed to installing the Teleton library in our CMD. Just open command prompt and type the following command. Hit enter and wait for a couple of seconds for the installation to complete. Next. Hit enter and wait for a couple of seconds for the installation to complete. And once that's done, close the command prompt and let's focus on editing the Python script. Open the scraper and other Python files using Notepad++. Let's start by adding the Telegram account's phone number. Make sure to use the correct country code. For the API ID and API hash, copy the phone number and then go to this website. Paste it here and click Next. Now we need to open our Telegram account and look for the confirmation code that Telegram sent. Paste or type it here and click on Sign In. Click on API Development Tools and brainstorm any words that come to mind that end with the number 1. Copy and paste it into the short name field. Then click Create Applications and you have successfully created a new API ID and API hash. Copy and paste it into the API ID field in the scraper and do the same for the API hash. Next, copy the API ID, API hash and phone number, then paste them into the other and save all the changes. So we're done with the scraper and other part, which means we can now collect members from a group and add them somewhere else. Prepare to Telegram groups. 1. Target group. This is the group where you will scrape members from. It can be public or private as long as you have access. 2. Destination group. This is your own group where you'll transfer the scraped members. You need to be an admin in this group to be able to add people. So I already have a target group and a destination group. The destination group is mine, while the target group is not mine. It's from somewhere else. Let's go ahead and run it now. Let's open the scraper and insert the target group link on line 30, which is the target section in the scraper. Copy the target group's username, paste it in line 30 and save the changes. Next, let's open command prompt from the address bar. This will open command prompt directly in the folder's location. Type python scraper.py and then hit enter. Enter the code that Telegram sent to your account. Hit enter and the scraping will start. Wait for a few seconds and if you see the message scraped successfully, it means the scraping is complete. You will have a data list, which means that all the members of the target group are saved here. Let's open it. And as you can see, there are many members who don't use usernames. We will remove these using the filter feature as I've added, so you won't need to do it manually. Type python filter.py, then hit enter. Wait for 3 seconds, and you will have successfully removed users who don't use usernames from the list. Okay, so let's open it. As you can see, all users who don't use usernames have been removed. Now that we have the member list from the target group we selected, let's close this and start adding them to the destination group. Open CMD again and type python add1.pyt and hit enter. Choose a group to add members to. I'll choose my group which is number 1, type 1 and hit enter. Since this other tool is intended to add by username only, we will choose option number 1. Hit enter, and where it says start from those, type 1 and hit enter again. And here in enter 50 and hit enter. The adding process is now running. As for the start from and end to values 1 to 50, this means you've added members from 1 to 50 in the members list. So the next time you run the adder, you can use 51 to 100 to avoid adding the same members repeatedly. The adding has started. Sit back, relax, and wait for it to finish. If you encounter any errors, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section. I will answer all your questions. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And for those who haven't subscribed to my Telegram channel yet, I'll leave the link below in the description. That's where I upload the other tool. Everything is in a file and you can download it for free. And for those who want the premium other tool, this is for anyone who wants to add a large number of members to their groups. This tool can run multiple accounts at the same time and has no limits. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now for a more advanced adding experience. As for the band issue, the best solution is to use phone numbers from your own country when creating Telegram accounts. Make sure to wait at least 5 days after creating the accounts before using them for adding. Don't exceed the limit. I recommend adding 500 to 1000 members per day and running the tool every 24 hours.